Look, I know you're looking for some real OLSP reviews beside the reviews that I've done and maybe some of the other people that you've seen here on YouTube. But in this video, I'm going to share with you some reviews of some people who are actually in OLSP, people who are actually using the system, people who are getting results. Now, I want you to understand this is just a few people who are actually using the system and getting results with the system. And I honestly believe that if you put in the effort, focus on this system, you can get results as well. Now, what results you get are totally up to you. I'm not promising you anything because I really don't know your work ethic. You're probably jumping around watching every video about making money online. I'm just keeping it real with you. And you're jumping to something, then you're jumping to the next thing and jumping to. If you only focus on one thing, learn the skills in order to make that one thing work. Then you can take those skills and go make other things work for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go into the back office. I'm going to show you a little proof that this worked, and then I'm just going to take you on over and let the other people do their testimonials, and then I'll come back at the end of the video and shut it off. So here we go. Let me go ahead and drop down right now. I'm over in the corner. I'm going to come to commissions. If you see commissions right here, I've earned $3,274.74 with them right now. $793.10 is the balance because I've made some withdrawals. And my withdrawal balance right now is $518.80. Okay. If I come over here, you can see all of the commissions over here that are coming in and things like that. So it does work if you work it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to let some other people share their experience with OLSP with you, and then I'll come back at the end of this video and close it out. I'll see you in the end.
Hi, my name is Guy. I'm from OLSP. I have been in this group for nearly a year now, and I haven't seen anything like that because look at the tree. I just want to show you the tree. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous day today. Look at it. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, right, get back to it. All I want to say is that OLSP is the only place where I have earned money, and I am really, really happy with it. We have nearly 100,000 people. If you're thinking of working online or looking for a really top group, then this is a place where you should be, because they really do look after you. They listen to you all the time. Their support staff is absolutely amazing. You can't fault it. Like I said, the only place that I would stay now is OLSP. I've been around loads and loads of other places that all talk high end and this and that, but none of them have performed. None of them has stand out apart from this one. OLSP is definitely the way forward for anybody who has never ever worked online before, and this is an awesome group to earn money for first start beginners. They have an incredible course that you can't go wrong. Talk to you soon. Thank you very much, Wayne. You've done an awesome job.
Hi there, this is Zahidi Rahman from Liverpool. Just a short video regarding my success with this amazing platform. Now, since joining, in the very first 2 weeks, I actually made my very first commissions. And then since I've been making commissions, and just recently with my OLSP wins, I managed to purchase a brand new touchscreen laptop. And that's a big win and a success. I love this platform, and guys, enjoy it.
Big shout out to Mr. Wayne Crow and the team at Traffic Domination and all the lovely people in the community. I've been working with OLSP for over a year now, and I have been able to learn so much. I've earned thousands of dollars in commissions, built my email list. I absolutely love it over there.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Osman here, coming to you from beautiful Mauritius. I want to shoot this quick video because I want to share my experience with the OLSP system. I've been in the system for around 2.5 months now, and so far I've generated over $706 in affiliate commission. I believe it's the best system out there, and I want to say a big thank you to Wayne Crow, his team, for all the training, support and mentorship for making OLSP system the best platform out there. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rona Rivera Rahman, and I just wanted to share a quick win with you guys. A Facebook post took a few minutes, and then when people replied, I replied to the comments, and one person at least bought something, and I made about $46.20. And it was as easy as that. But was it? Actually, this probably took a longer time than actually posting and replying. The reason why it worked is that I reach out to buyers every single day, so that they were my friends on Facebook and they would see my post. I created a post, it was just a text post. I used the free service, Comment Dominator, to get a few people to comment, but anybody who's on my friend list would have looked at it, and if they wanted to, they would have asked me for the link, because in the question it was like, if you want this free mega funnel, say yes please, and I will reply with the link. So what I then did was, once people replied, because I kind of forgot about it, I didn't have anything to promote, and I came back a few days later, I used the same software to reply automatically to each person that replied to my post with the link, because they asked for that link. And then from one of those people, they purchased a few things in that funnel. So actually, I have been doing the reaching out every single day for months and months and months. And who knows if that person friended me 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago. So the actual posting and replying probably took a few seconds, but actually it took a few months of work and replying on my computer to actually earn that cash. Just because it's not always instant doesn't mean you failed. The stuff that you do every single day actually contributes to working towards your future earnings. So just because, don't feel disheartened just because you don't get money instantly. It is not a get rich quick scheme, though you can be lucky and do that. It's about building that those assets in the background. So I hope that helped. Keep going, just follow the system, the training. Ask me if you need help with the links to the training, because I know people never know where to go for that. And let me know. I wish you well, and I hope you are all successful. Bye.
Hello, my name is Alfonso, and I want to tell you that in just 3 weeks of belonging to OLSP, I have managed to earn my first commission in my online business, just by following the training, and also they pay me to do it. This is awesome. If you are tired of not having results, join this system today, and I assure you, you will not regret. Join OLSP now. It's a Facebook group. You will earn your first commission very, very fast, and you will not regret again. So join today. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm from Oldham in the UK. I've been involved in internet marketing for around 10 years now. My past endeavours have been total disasters due to the lack of traffic to my offers and consequently a lack of sales. No traffic equals no sales. In fact, the internet did probably little with the corpses of my past failures. However, all that changed when I recently discovered the traffic domination program from OLSP systems. Getting involved with the free program was capital to my online business into the next level. A simple, progressive education program in traffic generation techniques, which is dovetailed into several affiliate sales programs. All these techniques and offers being integrated into one symbiotic entity. The program comprises of a series of training videos that unlock as you complete the previous one, building your knowledge and experience one small manageable step at a time. The support and encouragement is second to none on the internet. I have never seen anything like it before. If you're struggling to make any headway with your online business, then check out Traffic Domination from OLSP Systems. It's certainly changed my business. Oh, by the way, did I mention it's free to join? Thank you.
Hello, my name is David. I have been with this program since September 2020. I've learned many new skills and also earned over $2,100 in that time.
All right, so there you have it. You've heard from me, you've heard from other people who are using OLSP, and this is not by any means the only people who are having success within OLSP, okay? I'm having success, they are having success, other people are having success, and we want you to enjoy the same success as well. So what I want you to do is go ahead and click that link that is in the description below. Go ahead and get set up with your OLSP account, okay? Get started, get set up, reach out to me, let me know that you've joined. I'm gonna do everything I can to help you get started. Plus, you're gonna have a group of 140-some thousand people that's going to help you. Now, that's not to say everybody's going to help you, but you're going to be a part of that community as well, along with the owner of the company, Wayne Crow, who's helping us as well. And we want you to finally have the success that you deserve and that you want to have. So go ahead on, click the link in the description, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up on the video, like this video, share this video with someone you may know, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for other videos like this about other opportunities that may, that I find that works for me, that I can share with you to help you on your journey. So with that being said, click the link in the description. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow.